today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying hairstyles for short hair. As you can see, my hair is really short, and I know a lot of nurses are cutting their hair short too because of the fact that it sucks to have to deal with long hair, period. Even as a mom, way easier. Let's try some short hairstyles. I found them on Pinterest. So I marked like ones that I actually thought I could accomplish. I'm not a hairstylist. Anyone else eating Halloween candy yet? Okay, so the first one, the girl has long hair. I think the technique she uses is cool, so we're gonna try it. You need a straightener. I haven't used one of these in decades, obviously, because the prongs are back. All the fire people are probably looking at me like, what are you doing? Turn on. On. There we go. Okay, so brush hair. What is it? Oh, I have a bobby pin in there. Check. Do I look good yet? How long does the hair straightener take to warm up? Because I don't have a lot of time. I get one of these bad Larrys. Okay, so she does this, like the straight iron, flat iron, different ways and creates waves. Is my hair long enough to do this? Down, under, over, under. Over, under, over, under. Oh, it did something. Let's keep jogging around the head. Hopefully my hair doesn't fall out. Oh, it's getting somewhere. Medic, under. Oh, that's an interesting method. Let's keep going. Under. Oh, that one didn't come up good. I feel like it's not good to be yanking your hair like this, but I feel like the front pieces matter the most. Kind of look like George Washington. I feel like there's gonna be a hairdresser, maybe Brad Mondo. He's gonna be like, girl, you did X, Y, and Z wrong. Just kidding. He probably won't see this. I'm doing my best. Oh, fuck. The hair gets hot. No wonder she put it up in a ponytail at the end. It don't look right. I feel like it don't look the same. Yeah, it's a lot of work just to get messy beach waves. Don't stay away. Let me just zhuzh it. Maybe it'll work if I zhuzh. I think I learned that phrase from Queer Eye for the Straight Guy, the original ones, the OGs back in the day. This side looks pretty okay. I look like George Washington. George Washington. Kind of look like a fried poodle. Even a fried poodle would probably look cuter. I'm gonna go with the, I'm probably not gonna do this one in real life. On to the next one. So this one's the same girl. Ponytail. She uses those clear elastics, dude. I don't like those. I'll use a brown one. My hair is the color of crap. She just does like this top layer. We're gonna go full 90s here. And then I think it's too much. Yeah, she has short hair. Look at my bouffant. A ponytail. Oh, well. I don't think my ponytail is lifeless. Yeah. I do kind of wear my hair like this sometimes, but again, I think it would look way better if like I had some curlage in my hair versus like all of the mess that first hairstyle made. I'm very pessimistic today. My hair just has never been cooperative. Hers is like, she has like a little bit of poof. It's like baby hairs down, but like my baby hairs are legit baby hairs. So as you can tell, yeah, I look a little bit different. Still not bad. I think it would look way cuter if my hair was a tad shorter. Okay, hers is like up here. Ow, ow. That's why I hate, ow, fuck, using these tiny elastics. It's hair abuse. Total hair abuse. This one I really want to try. Oh, super cute. She has a little tiny fish tails in the front. Those in the back. Okay. I think what I would do is I'm gonna just leave the 2 pieces out in the front because of the fact that I would never wear that to work because of the fact that it hangs in my face. I have a hard time doing fishtails on myself. Oh, how? I think she regular braided it. Your record on, show me your favorite song. Braiding, braiding, braiding. Shoot, I didn't get elastics ready. Up here. Oh, she puffs it out from the top. Now we hear. Mine doesn't look like yours. Oh. You don't like being puffed up? Okay, well, hers is far more puffed out than mine is. I don't know how she gets it so puffy. I guess you could do 2 tiny fishtail braids too. That would be okay. Kind of looks like I just braided a horse's tail. I'm gonna make these braids even. Why is my hair so uneven? It's like... Okay. Yeah, it's not gonna... we are gonna work with what we got. Oh man, she makes it way too easy. Hairstyles is gonna be a beach shooting cup. I'm gonna use big hair elastics because of the fact that I like my hair on my head and not wrapped around an elastic. And then like makes that hole in the middle like we used to do back in the day. Let's see. How's my part in the back? Probably awesome. Oh, good lord. Looks so weird. She has slightly longer hair, that's why. Almost Express pulling in. Just like that guy from Sister. Roger. I look like Roger. I'm not gonna do this one, but I'm gonna finish it out for aesthetic. And I think she pins them. She doesn't really show. You could totally do this. If you have hair length like mine though, don't suggest doing these. But this is pretty cute. But this, not cute. He's not cute at all. So hers is like super straight cut. It's so bad. I'm just gonna again use my nice thick elastic so that my hair does not get ripped out. It is with like this would bother, having hair right here would bother the crap out of me. So she takes it from here. I mean, it's gonna look different because I have thicker elastics, little buns, like Miley Cyrus. Ooh. I'll put your record on. So, can't say that I would go out in public like this, but I'm sure it looks cute on some people. I'm not the 32-year-old who can rock this. On to the next one. Next one is pretty easy. Bobby pins, cute little twisties on the side. Her hair is shorter-ish than mine. And then finger guns. All right, let's do this. Yes. Messy part down the middle. 2 little twists. Bobby pins, I got those. Those are kind of curled. Mine are not. So hers kind of looks like, see, the thing about if I wore this to work, it wouldn't work because of the 2 pieces of hair that hang in your face. She does this and she pinches it outwards. Now let me plug in my curling iron to see if maybe I can fix her up or it. These are supposed to be simple hairstyles. It is not. You all lied. Yours looks really cute. It's like all this, and then she twists it. She doesn't twist it in. She just does this, and then pinch it out. It's a look. It's a look. You should try to make them even, huh? Twist. Really. Okay, so pinch out. I mean, it's not the worst, but let's see what happens if I just do like a, I mean, that's not bad. I can work with that. Is that food in my hair? Okay, that one I'll keep. I'll keep this one. Curl it a little bit, messy curls everywhere. I don't know, what y'all think? think it looks cute. Maybe. Head top braids. Top of your head braids. I don't like when they point to say words to make 2 squares. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so now do this. Here you be. I have a feeling because my hair is so fine and I have so many baby hair, this probably isn't gonna work. Now you divide these into 2 halves. Then, okay, you braids it frontwards like this. Not have such freaking like baby hairs. That'd be great. Let me wet it. Separate the little hair that I have into 3 even sections. Begin to braid. Swing it on back and then you just tie it to the other half. She uses these. Oh shoot, no, don't fall. I can do this. It's so fluffy. Doesn't look so cool. All right, I'm gonna try over, start over. See, her hair, you can actually tell there's a braid. With mine, it's like, where'd the braid go? What do you think? I mean, it doesn't look exactly like hers, but you have to make it look even on both sides. Otherwise, it doesn't look even. I'm gonna go across and just see how it works. She has way better hair than I do. Because I don't have thick hair like this girl. Baby hairs I have aren't cute. Okay, so I got this, and we are going to do this. Try to zhuzh it a little bit. Let's keep hair out of your face, I guess. What do you think? Oh, let me curl my hair. So, zhuzh. What do you think? I don't know. I think I might keep this one a little tiny bit more even. That's it. See? It doesn't look like hers. She has way thick hair. I don't. But let me know if you guys have any suggestions for short hair that's super easy, especially like my nurse coworkers and my CNAs and my PCAs, my RTs, PT, OT. Any ideas for short hair that actually work during our time now? I used to go to work and I used to like love being able to look presentable for my patients, and now it's just like I'm gonna be sweaty and in PPE anyway, so I don't really care as much. Still care about my patients, but so if you guys have any suggestions of what you do for your hair while you're at work, or even in general when you have super short hair, easy to put together, especially moms. I don't know, I kind of feel stylish, like one of those influencer girls, like 20% off code. Use down below. I use these every day. Leave any comments, questions, concerns, probably, you know, down below. I'd be appreciative if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal, and I am so close. I only need like a couple hundred more. Ooh, I kind of like it. Wondering what kind of curling iron I use? It's this one. What I like about it is it has reasonable temperature settings, and it also powers itself up after 2 hours. Because how many times have we left the house and we're like, oh no, forgot to turn my curling iron off. It was most likely off. But you just think like in your mind, you didn't. Stay safe out there, wear a mask, all of that good stuff. Have a great day.